Okay, have you heard today, Luna is going on a play date, but let's just play. Open up my closet, please. Is that all what your wand can do? Look at mine. Cool. Wait, let me grab my wings. Now I'm a real fairy. Okay, let me grab my pixie wings. Yay, I'm a pixie. I know, right? I'm the prettiest, the queen. I'm gonna defeat you, pixie. No, I will. Look at my beautiful wand. Wait, let me just have a dance. Oh my god, this pixie's so funny. What? You know that dance? Teach me, please, teach me. Okay, you do it like that. Haha, so funny. I loved it. And it was so adorable. Thank you so much. Well, let me just do your makeup today right now. Oh, looks like you already have it. No, whatever. And by the way, let's just grab my favorite moisturizer. Put it on your skin. It'll make you feel better. And here's some serum, which we sprinkle in your eye. Oh man, where did that thing go? Oh, here it is. Okay, here's my acne gel. I've seen you've got lots of them lately. Here, use this. And this is my cleaner. Stop moving around! Okay, pick something to read while I do your liquid blush or any other makeup or stuff. Come on, I know you want to. Do this, now do that. Let's put some lip balm. It's my favorite lip moisturizer. So cute, isn't it? Okay. Where it is? Oops, I accidentally made it rain. No. I will never do that again. Okay, let's comb your hair and wash your face. Okay, like that. You bubble girl. Let me have some lip balm. Good. And here, I'll put some sanitizer stuff so that you become better. Here's the book I told you. Thanks. I love it. And I want to read it right now. Let me see what else I could put. Maybe, of course, this toner could go well. Let me put the toner on you. Looks perfect. Let's wash you. Am I done yet? Yes, completely. You're ready now, Mystic Fairy. Okay, I'm happy. But did you hear the doorbell? Yes, it must be her. Let's go. Oh, hello there, kitty. Do you know by chance where is my kitty? Okay, let me choose some house slippers. This is perfect. Let me just take off the socks. That's it. Now I look perfect. Oh yeah, I definitely want to go for these ones. They're cute. I know, right? Let me just open up the door. Who's that? Who's that? Okay, the door is open. Here you are, little baby. So it's you. Hold my wand right still. Otherwise... Okay, Ellen, you stay here, or maybe you can come and wake Luna with us. Luna, wake up. I'm here. It's me, Ellen. She won't wake up, I guess. Luna, wake up. Wake up, Luna. Who's that? Oh, is that Ellen? Hi, Ellen. I'm ready to play with my toy. Finally, you guys are done. Just look at us twins. Oh, by the way, let's just put it here. I want to go to sleep. Okay, let me just take out my wings. Perfect. Now I can finally go to rest and better. Okay, I'll just do my makeup and stuff. Maybe I'll even order some food and eat. Might be yum. So tasty. So yummy too. Let's do some skincare. Hey, Ellen! You know it's time to wake Wake Luca up! Luca, wake up! Luca, wake up! Oh, what? I'm not bothered at this time. Okay, let's just go since Ellen is here today. Look at me, I'm so ugly. Okay, so what is this? Let's all go on and have a test on these. Yes! I don't wanna. Can't we just play with teddy bears? No, because these look much funner and cuter. Fine, I'll do it on Ellen. Ellen, I don't know what this is. Try this on. It'll look so cute on you. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Okay, this was cute. I want more. Oh my God, what is that ring? Let's put this back. I don't care where it was. Let me find something new. Ooh, this might look cute. Let's try it on. Yay! Just look at this. Maybe it might make your face look much better. Why isn't it working on you? Since I'm angry, let's put some this water thingy. I don't think this is cute. Let's pour it on your head and make a mess so that Mom will have to bathe us and we can have some fun. Okay, let me just pour the sanitizer on everyone. Look at that, so cool. Here, try the gel. It's always very cute. I know, right? By the way, here's our hairbrush. Let me comb your hair. Okay, we're done. Let me get some more face masks. Let's mess around. Here's some jelly. What is this again? Jelly. Okay, let me put it on you. Those kids up to? Let me have a look. Okay, let me first put on some facial cream. I really love this little facial cream. Makes my hair twitch. Oh yeah, we definitely need some more food. Yum, 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 yum. So yummy. I don't want to see the kids anymore. Let's just study a bit. Yes, let me have a look. Oops, I need my facial cream again. Okay. Why isn't my moisturizer working anymore? I look fabulous. What's that behind the mirror? Is that the kids in a whole big mess? No. Gotta wake up Mom. Oops. I really hope you didn't see that. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Please, hungries. Mom! First, let me just grab some food. Here you go, Luca. Here you go, Luna. And Ellen. Yeah, here you go, Ellen. Eat this food. Now, please stop arguing. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Phew. Now, at least they're happy. Phew. That was hard. What was that? Let me try on these glasses first. Let me have a look at what the kids are even doing. Oh my God, not my skincare. I just recently bought them. Mom, help here. Oops, looks like I made a mistake. What in the world now? Let's change my socks first. Okay, what a big mess. Did these kids do it? Everyone hold a child, and they literally just threw it in front of me. Okay, I guess it's cleaning up time. First of all, let's clean the kids up because their skin can get affected. Thank goodness you have sanitizer. It could clean it. Oh, don't worry. It'll all be okay. We're a team, right? Okay, second of all, we quickly need to grab, oops, what is that? My ring? Great. Now, come here, my sweetheart. What is Mama doing? Please don't tell me that she's hugging sister. Otherwise, I'm angry. Come on, everybody. Let me just take you outside. You can play there. No playing in my room. Otherwise, sister will get mad. Okay? Mom? Oops. Oh, shoosh. Let me have a look at these. Finally, they are gone. Now, I need to prepare not my favorite journal. Okay, let's put my favorite journal in there. All done. Now, let's throw these in the dustbin. Okay, now let's put these up there. And these up here. These up there. This up there. This here. And oops, I forgot. I put it in a pouch because it's my favorite moisturizer. Here, more serum, more of these, more of that, more acne gel, more contour, my face masks, and what else? My makeup items, my towels. Oh, let me just grab the plates. You don't have to. And here, your sanitizers. Wait, let me just make a swan. Oh my! Where's the other one? Guys, do you think this is a error or a glitch? But here, let me just give it to you guys. Stop and don't bother us anymore. Okay, I guess it is all done. Oh, we forgot the primer. That's my favorite primer. Give it to me. Smooth, soft skin. By the way, team handshake. Yay! Now, no more mess. Let me just throw that into the trash. And I don't want to have a bath right now. Let's just clean myself. Have a good scrub-a-dub. And wash my hair. Done. Finally, I feel better. Oh, by the way, here's the hat that you use. Great. Now I can do my makeup peacefully later. Thank you so much, Mom. It was a tiring day, and now I need some rest. Yeah, me too. I wanna just stay here. Let's craft these. Let's craft that. Yay! Here, go to sleep. I'll go back to my room and go to sleep. Let's mess around. Ooh, laptop. Let me play them.